almost a 10K day. We lost $9,755 today.
YouTube! What's up, y'all? It's KIAREY, if you don't know who I am. My name's KIAREY Love. I'm currently documenting my journey to becoming a millionaire trader. And when I'm a millionaire, y'all still gonna be here. So, today, the energy is a little down because I blew my Funded Futures family account out a negative $5,000 day today. And that's because I didn't follow any of my rules. From the very first trade that I took this morning, I took a trade anticipating a break before the break of structure happened, before the retest, trying to get an earlier entry, and then ended up holding the trade all the way to negative 1,000. And then after holding the trade till that long, I ended up continuing to revenge trade all the way up until blowing my account. I could have walked away. I was literally 2 days away from getting a payout, two winning days away from getting a payout. But I'm trying not to beat myself up too much about it because these types of things happen. This is my first really emotional day since I've been a profitable trader, and it definitely, I don't know, it definitely doesn't hit as bad as it used to before I was profitable. But this happening on a Friday is the worst. Like, losing days on a Friday always suck, but especially when you were in control. When I'm looking back at the market, there was no opportunity that presented itself until about 15 minutes ago. 15 minutes ago, I could have gotten to that trade, won the trade, and been done for my day. I anticipated early, I didn't follow my rules, and I did everything that is against what I'm supposed to be doing trading wise. Blew a Funded Futures family account. Luckily, I did already get a payout from them. I blew a challenge account. So technically, I really had a really big losing day. I almost had a $10,000 losing day. Luckily, one of them was challenge money. One of them is an account that I still have access to right now. I lost $1,000 on my Take Profit Trader account, and then I lost my $4,000 in the Funded Futures family. Probably pop everything on top up. I did get another $200 day though for Top Step, so that's cool. I'm not super upset because I didn't follow the plan. And it's like both, right? It's like before I was profitable, I used to be like, dang, like it used to suck losing on the days where you felt like you followed your plan, and then it used to suck even more on the days where you're just like, I keep doing this to my own self, right? And then now that I'm profitable, now that I'm consistently making money, have consistently made almost, how much? I'm almost made like 7K trading within the last couple of months. And since I've been profitable, and it definitely doesn't hit as hard, especially with the funded accounts, because the funded accounts make it so that, I won some on some accounts. I'm not losing actual money, and all I put into these accounts for most of them is like $200-300, and I'm not at a deficit. The frustrating part is that I know better, so that version of yourself is always going to peek back through. You have to be in control enough to do the right things. I'm mentally starting. I want to do better for myself as far as my weight goes, as far as just how I treat my body, how I treat myself, and I know that does play a role into having those mental slips come back in. But that person that was an unprofitable trader still exists inside of you. The Newton's law of physics, what is it? Energy cannot be destroyed nor created. It must be transferred into something else. That's the same thing with this. It's like my non-profitable energy transferred into profitable energy, but sometimes that shit's gonna peek back through and show its true colors, and that's realistic. Like I said, I'm still super grateful, still super blessed. Payouts are still on the way. This ain't stopping shit. It was a Friday. There's a couple things that I can be honest about. I could have left the markets alone today since I've been up for the week. I could have done a couple of things, and also my mindset was, if I get one of my $200 days today, like I'm gonna tell you guys a bad mindset that I was having, which is a learning lesson. I was saying, if I get one of my $200 days today and Monday, I'll be able to get that payout by Tuesday because Funded Future Family has the payouts by certain days. Well, now look at me. I'm not going to be getting a payout at all, and I have to start over with the challenge with my 7 days and hurry up and then wait instead of just walking away after because instead of walking away after, not only did I make one first mistake, but I continued to hold the trade. I continued to do dumb shit. I continued to get in other trades. And then I continued to make it harder for me to, you know, continue to have my funded account. I think that's what I need to think about more often. It's like, yeah, you could fuck up one time. Don't fuck up if you can, but if you fuck up that one time, try to fuck up and walk away. Most of my fuck ups lead to like a series of fuck ups, and it's like the domino effect. Once that one domino falls in trading, it's like you're wrecking all your shit. Like, why did I lose $500 on this account and continue to trade when I know they have strict drawdown limits? That's very stupid, and I just need to do better and be better. Nothing really more to say other than I just gotta do better, be better, and yeah, that's it. Going on tilt after becoming profitable is definitely different than going on tilt before being profitable. This is not even my first time blowing an account, but for whatever reason I always do it on Fridays. And that sucks because I go into the weekend like, dang, I can't wait. But then I always have a good beginning of my week. So I'm either going to do something to stop trading on Fridays, or probably not stop trading on Fridays realistically, but just have a lot less risk parameters going on. Maybe just trade challenges on Fridays. Try to get challenges passed. But yeah. Show you guys. Look, this was what I was at for $4,158. And I had two more $200 days to go, which I was only supposed to be getting the $200 days, but I was doing some bullshit today. So we're going to pop into TradingView. I just want to do a quick, just to show you guys everything that we lost for the day. I don't really want to put the screenshots up on the screen, I'm going to be honest. So if you guys can't see, price action was just nuts. But I also entered in here as soon as it broke here, thinking that, not on this account, but on my Funny Futures Family account. But these are the two Take Profit Traders account. We lost $1,000 on my actual funded account. And then on... oh, they already took the account away. It literally, as soon as I blew it, they must have just taken the account away, because it doesn't... look, I just said... I just got an email that says your account has been... one of the trading rules has been broken. So, yeah, your account has been disabled. So I can reactivate the account, get the account back, which I'm sure I'll probably do that for Monday. But yeah, nothing too crazy. Oh, yeah, and then this is Top Step X too. Let me show you all that. Oh, I closed it. I closed it probably so that I wouldn't do bullshit on it. But for Top Step X, we had a $200 day on Top Step X because price action was just not looking the way I wanted it to look. But then look at this. This is the second trade that I got in. I could have ended up getting a decent sized trade on this one, but I was gambling, so I didn't really want to do that. But yeah, nothing too crazy going on. We blew the $4,500. So yeah, so almost a 10K day. We lost $9,755 today, but it's alright. We're gonna bounce back on Monday. It's time to lock into this weight shit. Oh, it's up. It's for real up. Not too much going on. I'm gonna fuck with y'all. I appreciate you guys so much. If you have watched this point in the video, make sure you're getting 1% better every day. Make sure you guys are operating out of the model because nothing. There's never an excuse or a reason as to why you're not doing at least one thing to get one step closer to your dreams, goals, and aspirations. It has been KIAREY Love, and I am out. Peace.